Your backyard is about to be transformed into a beautiful oasis. Hello, my name is Aloy Sherlock, owner of Moderno Pools, and I build the backdrop of your life. Every project starts off with a beautiful design, custom made for you and your family. Once you approve the design and authorize us to start work, we then begin the permit process, which includes your plot plans and your engineering. Once the city approves and issues your permits, then it's time to lay out your pool. This gives you a final opportunity to make any changes. And of course, we always leave a restroom for the men to use during the project. Now comes the exciting part, the start of excavation. Sometimes we're only digging a pool and spa. Other times we're taking out an existing and putting a new one in. Every project is different. And sometimes I'll even get calls and the people will say, I remember these men when they built the pool for my parents. These men I've been working with for 25 years. Depending on your project, large or small, sometimes they need sub-drain systems. This project, the men worked very hard because the sub-drain system had to be underneath the pool because there was always water coming up from the ground, and we didn't want the pool to pop out of the ground. Some projects are hillside projects. And of course, the men have to eat. The steel rebar is installed. Some projects we're building a pool inside of a pool. The plumbing is installed. And sometimes we're doing remodels. Lots of plumbing. Now the plumbing, the steel, the excavation is complete. Time to meet the inspector to go ahead and have a pre-Gunite inspection. All measurements are taken. Now everything's ready, and the Gunite crew shows up. These men go ahead and shoot the shell of your pool, the interior. They're quite the craftsmen. Your pool is now taking shape. Filling in for the large bahas. Now your concrete Gunite structure is in place. We then start putting on the coping. Any type of raised walls, flagstone, tiled interiors, flower beds, flagstone. So many different choices. Barbecues, tile choices. Everything is up to you. It's very exciting. It's very exciting seeing projects truly coming to life. And these men, they love what they're doing. Here we have an infinity wall. We have to get back and forth. We have to make a little bridge. Some trim tile being installed. Now it's time to get ready for the pool equipment. The pool equipment is installed on top of a concrete slab. Here we have the automatic cover lids. Getting ready for a deck inspection. Sometimes we're putting concrete around the pool, flagstone. Sometimes we put grass around the pool. It's really up to you. And some projects, we have them specially made. This is a stainless steel pool that I had specially made for a client that we put on top of their house. Look at that crane. Just amazing. This is a swim jet system that went inside of a house. Now it's time for cleanup. Getting rid of all the debris. The arrival of the plaster men. The mixing, the preparation. Some pools have Pebble Tec, Pebble Sheen, plaster, colored, tiled. The options are endless. The plaster is complete. Time to put a hose in and start filling up the pool. Pick out the color for your automatic cover. This client wanted to make sure it would hold him. And look at this. Such beauty. A raised pool, entertainment area, easy access into the pool, beautiful tile, pebble sheen, infinity pools, water features, colored lighting. Just wow. Look at that. The bubblers. Everything's ready. It's ready for you and your family to have a lifetime of memories. Let's make this beautiful oasis in your backyard your dream come true, where you and your family will have years of memories. Just give me a call for a free consultation. Thank you.